Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about gamma s multiplied by gamma of 1 minus s equals to b over sine bs. So it is one we just have gamma s, so we need to divide both sides by this one in here. So we put this one go in here. Now in this situation I will put this one go in here. Next we apply two formulas in here. That's about ln of 8 over p equals to ln a minus ln p, and the second one that's about ln of ab equals to ln a plus ln b. So we apply two formulas for this one. So we will have about ln of b minus, open the parenthesis, we have ln of sine bs plus ln of gamma of 1 minus s. So in this situation, cosine bs squared multiplied by this one, and this one. So this one we open the parenthesis, so we change the sign in here. Now I will concentrate about this integration. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus s. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to negative ds. Because we don't have the negative ds in here, so we put this one go to the left. Next we need to change the bounds. If s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 go in here, so we have u equals to number 1. If s equals to number 1, we put number 1 go in here, and we have u equals to number 0. So number 0 in here we change for number 1, and number 1 in here we change for number 0. 1 minus s we change for u. So 1 minus s we change for u. About s, so we put negative s go to the left, u will go to the right, so we have 1 minus u. ds we change for negative du. So b multiplied by 1 and u. we have negative in here, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. So we have the iteration from number 0 to number 1. About this one, we can change into negative cosine of bu to the power of 2. Because the power is about number 2 is about even power, so we can cancel the negative in here. Later that we change u go back to s. Now we need to return back to this iteration. We see that this one is equals to this one, so we put this one go in here. Now and we know that this one equals to this one at the first time, so in this situation I will put this iteration equals to I. And now from here we have this one, we change for I, and this one we have I, so we have negative I in here equals to I. So negative I we put on the right, so we have I plus I, we have 2I. Because we need to find the value of I, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now I will show you how to answer this one. So we can apply the formula in here. That's about cosine A squared equal to cosine 2A plus 1 over 2. This is about trigonometric identity. So capital A is about BS. So we change for this one in here. And we will have about cosine 2BS plus 1 over 2. So L and B and number 2 we put outside. And now the iteration of cosine 2BS, we need to change for 1 over 2 sine 2BS. The iteration of number 1 we have S, and now we have the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 and number 0 cone here. We simplify and we have ln b over 2. And this is the answer for the first one. Now about this iteration, this one is very long, so you can use about iteration by parts. So I just use about the program to calculate about this one. So this is the result of this integration. Now we combine everything in here to find the value of capital I. So this one in here, that is about this one. Negative, and we have negative in here. We simplify and we have positive 1 over 4 plus ln number 4 over 4. And this is the result of this integration. This is the end. Thank you for watching.